Hello, hello, my beautiful friends, and is it Wednesday? It's Wednesday evening. Maybe you're watching this on Thursday morning or another day, but I like to do this in the evening now because I know so many of us have like part two, right? You're working all day and then you got to cook dinner and do all this other stuff. Maybe you have more meetings in the evening. And so it's nice just to take a moment, take a break, take some breath, get re-energized and refocused. Because isn't it true? Spirit speaking to me right now. We lose our momentum in the afternoon. So in the morning, we're gone. We're gonna eat good. We're gonna do all this stuff, and then come 3:30, we're wiped out. So this is our opportunity for reconnecting. We want to live a life of meditation. And what that means is just a life of being present and being mindful, because it goes by so fast. If you have kids, you know what I mean. The next thing you know, they're grown and out the door. And then, we don't want to talk about the rest. So anyways, I'm still reading Jean Houston, A Mythic Life. Why don't you get the book and then we can read along together. The reason why I love this book so far, I love it, is because your intuition, your imagination is your connection to spirit. Hear me now, this is really, really important. Your imagination is the sixth sense. It's here in the third eye. And so how many times has someone told you, oh, it's just your imagination, or you've said that to yourself, I'm just imagining things. I really didn't see my mom, I had a dream about her, but it was just a dream. Only, it's only your imagination. Whenever you say that, or if you accept that as true, you are cutting yourself off from the flow of wisdom and insight. And so what I love about Jean Houston's work is that she's helping us to awaken the mythic dimension within us. I love her. I love Robert Moss. He's written lots and lots of books. Moss, love him. Anyone that gets you thinking symbolically. What does all of these symbols mean when you see 333 throughout the day, or 111? You're engaging the mythic, you're engaging the imaginal, and I cannot tell you how full your life will be if you tap into the creative. So I wanted to talk to us about, or talk with me, myself too, about connecting with our spiritual helpers. You have not come into this world alone. You have a spiritual team. And so I am feeling that some of us are really lonely and really feeling disconnected. And we have to acknowledge the possibility. Let's open up. Spirit saying, open up that imaginal. Start dreaming again. Start trying to write down your dreams if you remember them, or just waking up with a sense of your dreams. Write down the synchronicities. Read children's books. Children's books really help to connect us to the imaginal realm. And so she's talking about this in A Mythic Life. She is she's in Aboriginal country, and she's talking to one of the leaders, this woman named Audrey. And Audrey asks her, who is your parent beyond your parents? And Jean says, well, what do you mean? She says, who is your ancestor in the dream time? Don't you love that? If you do not know who it is, you are only half alive. I have chills right now. Your earth parents are not your only family. She says, I begin to suspect what she means. Many traditions hold that we are double parented, and that the creative ancestors and their totems of the Aborigines can be thought of as archetypical partners and sponsors who present us with both abilities and challenges. And so we want to get in connection with our spiritual helpers, and you do that through the process of your imagination. Yeah. So say yes to your imagination. Acknowledge that there's something bigger and deeper and more profound going on around you. And Spirit is saying, I like to play. Come play with me. When's the last time you painted or played, or, just went off into your imaginal realm? I like to do that. I call it just staring at the wall, and then I got all kinds of stuff that comes up. So let's take 3 clearing ha breaths together. Let's take 3 clearing ha breaths together, and then we'll finish with our cards. You ready? So inhale and exhale. And this time when you inhale, imagine energy coming in through the bottoms of your feet and the top of your head, centering right at the heart. Inhale and exhale. And one more time, inhaling and exhaling. Doesn't that feel good? It's so easy to get recentered. 3 ha breaths. I got to tell you, it will change your life, people. So let's see what else Spirit has to say. This is imaginal, what we're doing. This is living in the imaginal, living in the intuitive, living a connected, joyful life. You ready? So what are you going to choose? Let's see. I'm liking this card right here. Ooh. Hidden Beauty. Don't y'all love it? I love it. I love it. I love it. Hidden Beauty. I love it. I love these cards. Let's see what it means. Hope you've had a really good day. A good day, a good life. I'm knowing great, good things are happening for you right now. Spirit is working in your favor. I can feel it. I can feel it. We are changing the world, by the way. I know it might not look like it, that it's not changing for the better, and it is. It really, really is. Okay. This oracle brings you a suggestion. I love that. It's just a suggestion from the divine guidance. You may think you see the whole picture. I love the way this works. But if you look deeper, you shall see something that brings you much joy, hope, and reassurance. Take a deep breath. Sigh it out. There is a more beautiful perspective here that affirms and nourishes you and all involved in the situations of your life that are puzzling you at present. Oh my gosh, you need the imaginal. Look for the Spirit saying, look for me in the signs and the synchronicities. If there's a situation going on, look right now. Take heed and relax. Well, I can do that. Thank goodness. My pastor says, thank God for God. So take heed and relax. All is as it is meant to be. And soon you too will be able to see. So this is the promise. You too will be able to see. Spirit speaks to me. When I say Spirit speaking to me, Spirit is talking to me. You know, Spirit shows up in so many wonderful ways. And the people that I meet and the flowers that are blooming along the side of the road when I'm driving or walking, Spirit is everywhere. It is the breath that you breathe, my beautiful friend. If you want to learn, really connect with your spirit helpers, hear me now. Come to my one-day retreat on May 18th in Hermosa Beach. If you're local, or fly on out and spend the weekend in California. But we are going to be journeying with our spirit helpers. I'm going to help you get connected. It's going to be a small group. It's going to be super fun, and we're going to eat and we're going to hang out together. So I'll put the link in the description in a moment. Thank you for spending your Wednesday evening with me. I will see you later. Bye.